Okay, welcome back. Here we are again, and you are in your first module. I just want to offer you a quick video of what you will be learning in this particular area. As I mentioned in the orientation video, this is crucial. This is very vital information. If you don't have a good foundation, a good start, understanding of the technology, you won't be successful in the class. So let's see what we have going on in this particular module. First and foremost, as you see here, you have your syllabus. As you know, your syllabus has all that great information about the class, what's due, when is it due, what happens if you don't produce it. So I highly recommend you print this syllabus, read it, highlight information, use it as a resource. Probably what would be wise is to have a folder, okay, and print certain information and keep in the folder, because as you are recording or you're attempting to record, it's good to have that reference, that printed reference that you could look at that gives you the step-by-step guide of information. Secondly, you're going to see that you need to register your access code in your MyCommLabs Plus, and also to do a browser check. Okay, so your access code is found in your textbook, okay? Your textbook that you purchased from the bookstore. However, if you wanted to purchase an access code online, you can also do that as well. Perhaps you have another book from another area, or you plan to use the e-textbook. You can buy the access code. It costs about the same. So I recommend that you buy your textbook with the access code in it, and then you can register your course in your MyCommLabs Plus that way. This just kind of gives you a guideline on how to be successful in the course. Again, I would print that step-by-step guideline. How to enroll in MediaShare. This is where you are using your course ID. Course ID is found in your news item in the very beginning of your home page, and you're going to need to enroll in MediaShare. Okay, this is going to tell you how to record your speeches in MediaShare and upload your speeches from Panopto. Let me remind you how this works. Panopto is a recording device that allows you to use PowerPoint. You need to have PowerPoint in your informative speech, so you need to learn how to use Panopto. And then what you do is take that speech that you've recorded and then you upload it into MediaShare. MediaShare is the folder, the godmother of all our speeches, all our speech assignments. So that's the key area. Panopto is the recording device. So this one is a video. I ask you to take notes, okay? If you can't view the particular video, download it. At the bottom of the video, you will see an arrow that goes down. Download it into your computer and you'll be able to view it. Student reference guide for MediaShare, just another kind of listing. How to set up your recorder in Panopto. Okay, so along with recording in Panopto, you have to set up your recorder, okay, on your computer. And then I show you how to record in Panopto for your informative speech. Now, I do want to mention, I do not have a problem with you using another system to record your informative with PowerPoint. For instance, Screencast-O-Matic may allow you to use a PowerPoint system and record your speech. And actually, just pretty much that's what I'm using right now. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, and you can Google that if you're not familiar with that. Or you could use another system that I may not be aware of. All that matters is that you have in MediaShare for your informative speech, a speech with the visual aids, and the visual aid being a PowerPoint preferably, okay? So I did want to put that caveat in there. Your first speech that's due at the end of this module is an elevator speech, and I'm asking you to use Panopto and then upload it into MediaShare. So if you plan to use another system, use that system, tell me that in a speech, and that's what you plan to use, and that will be fine with me, totally fine with me. But Panopto is here for you to use. Just lastly, tips for speech anxiety and tips for recording your speeches. Okay, again, very much very useful information, especially, you know, kind of the do's and don'ts of when you're recording your speeches. So that's your resources, and you see too that you'll have your speech assignment that's due at the end of this particular module. Okay, so I wish you the best. Again, there are resources available for you to review. Please get to know the course in this particular module, and if you should have a question, just shoot me an email. Have a great day.